a Duffy Digital production in association with Bike Week Nation. Thousands of motorcycles took off from Hopkinton for the 3rd annual Boston Marathon Motorcycle Ride. The ride pays tribute to marathon victims and raises money for the Jimmy Fund. Ride founder Fred Garulis' wife is a cancer survivor.
Great ride, great cause. Suggest everybody come out and do it every year, every year, every year.
Now to just hang out, relax, and enjoy some good food, some good people.
And I can say I did the marathon without breaking a sweat.
Hopefully, we'll see you next year.